Hello my loves, Teacher Darren here and welcome to my craft corner. Today I thought it would be fun to paint on one of my old jean jackets. So all you need for this project is a jean jacket or any other clothing you might have actually. I'd say definitely don't paint on all of your clothes, but if you have anything that you don't really wear that much or that you want to give new life to, you can definitely give this a shot. So I have my jacket. I also have a piece of cardboard, and this just helps provide a barrier against your floor or your table when you're painting because the paint can bleed through the fabric. Acrylic paint. I use this Arteza brand, but you can use any type. Then a paint palette. This one is just made of cardboard. I just cut it myself, so you can really just use anything you have around. And some paint brushes. So let's get started. everyone, now you have a painted jacket. Here is my finished product. I really had a lot of fun today, and I hope you did too. So I'll see you next time.